Okay, hey YouTube. I've got another this channel. Technical issues. This. I'm gonna show you how to delete it permanently. I'm going to delete it in 15 days now. Channel is probably gonna have the same YouTube channel name. Replace this channel. Starting to get the original. Gonna be getting this channel up. Maybe the same. So that's all facing each other and a great. So on AdSense, one banana is going to be gone because it's been labelled. So I'm now email updating me off my video. I just still got it. The sky's actually quite we're getting quite close now in the UK because I'm actually here. I'm gonna have to put all this on. So it's gonna be gone. So let me see if I've still. Let's check. Okay, probably it is. Yeah, no, it's not. It's called Retro. So it's what I used to make my. I made my proper. So I'm gonna go back. Oh, cool. We got some. The background are free. Back. Posted a Skype call. That in a minute. On Monday, I'll give him a piece of paper. Send him a message. Yeah, that's the best idea. Yeah, so I'm gonna be to play here. Yeah, that was what probably have my text a bit. So it's gonna be what I used. The baby, just to prove it. God. So gonna say what it's gonna. I need people to know it's me. Just open it. That's the one opening a pack of shred. I'll pause. Okay. Okay. Sorry, technical issues here. Okay, the way I'm gonna text. Why the hell isn't that working? I don't actually know. I think I am. Go. It's not. Oh, there we go. There it is. Whenever I type that in. Channel. Oh yeah. Right. It's about email name. My old com. The new one is DaveNet90. Okay. That. Yeah. Down. Oh yeah. I'll leave the. To. Let me hit download. So and show that I'm not some impersonators. In 15 days, that'll. This is Google about. What? Thanks, Google. I wish this was Google. I think it got to downloads. Yeah, there it is. Background of one. It's updated. Our second step to close. So that one, we actually own it. This the old one, right? Right. Oh my god! Oh, it's right there. Okay. Oh, bring that down a bit. That's actually quite a devices preview. Stop. That looked really good. Icon will be updated. So yeah. Thanks for watching this. I'll be Biden.